Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Samcard app works. A digital business card scanner that helps professionals organize and store contact information with ease. The app is designed to simplify the process of managing paper cards by turning them into searchable digital contacts. Samcard allows users to scan business cards using their phone's camera. Once you tap the scan icon, the app uses built-in unclear to detect and extract key details like name, phone number, company, and email address. The information is saved automatically to your phone's contacts or stored within the app, depending on your preferences. This helps users quickly digitize contacts without manual typing. The app supports multiple languages, batch scanning, and contact exports to Excel, making it suitable for international business users. It also allows for easy categorization and tagging of contacts, so you can manage them efficiently. Integration with your phone's address book is another convenient feature, allowing you to merge new contacts with existing ones or keep them separate. Many users have noted that Samcard is especially helpful during networking events or conferences, where large numbers of cards are collected. Reviews highlight the scanning accuracy as a strong point, though some mention that cards with unique fonts or backgrounds can lead to errors. Others appreciate the app's minimal interface, though several pointed out the limitations in the free version, which restricts the number of scans available before acquiring a subscription. Pros of Samcard include fast scanning, Excel export, language support, and contact syncing. The main cons are scan limits in the free version, occasional OCR mistakes, and reduced performance on complex card designs. While the app works well on both iOS and Android, iOS users report slightly smoother performance overall. In conclusion, Samcard is a useful tool for professionals who handle a lot of business cards. Its core features are efficient and reliable, making it easier to store and access contacts digitally. It's best suited for users who value speed, organization, and simplicity in contact management. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.